Hello everyone, welcome back to Joy the Digital Night in another Airsoft video. So today is Saturday, which means Airsoft Day. And I'm gonna hang out with my friends playing Airsoft in One Strike Airsoft Arena in Baywalk Mall, Pluit, Jakarta, Indonesia. And as usual, we're going to use our own set of rule, which is the zombie rules. Yes, full auto is allowed. You can have 400 FPS using 0.2 BBs, no minimum engagement distance, and of course, no pain, no hit. But if you received too many shots and you think it hurts or it's not safe anymore, it's better for you to call your hit to avoid serious injury. But at the end, it's not about winning or losing, it's just about having fun after working for a whole week. So, without further ado, let's start at the game.
Oh ya, sorry. Hit. Teman. Iya. Udah. Hit. Musuh.
So there you go guys, what do you think? Do you like the video? And if you guys want to try the zombie rules with your friend, please keep in mind that safety is number one, because it wouldn't be fun anymore if you hurt or injured your teammate. Okay guys, if you like my video, please support my channel by click those like and subscribe button below, and we will meet again in the next video. Goodbye guys.